Join me as I share with you my daily cleaning routine as a part-time working mom of a 1.5-year-old. I'm going to be picking up the camera every single time I clean a space so you know how many times I'm cleaning a space, the estimated times of when I'm cleaning, all that kind of stuff. So I hope you can get some inspiration or motivation to tackle a space in your home or whatever you need. Maybe it's just enjoyment. Thank you guys all so much for being here, and let's go ahead and get started on our daily cleaning routine. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by today's video. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Like I said in the intro, today's video I'm going to be sharing my daily cleaning routine, where I'm just sharing every single time I'm cleaning so you can get an idea of how much cleaning I actually do in a day. And I first am cleaning my daughter's tray. Sometimes I clean this before bed, sometimes I don't. It just kind of depends on my mood and what we're doing. But then I went and cleared off the bed, made it so I could clean the sheets. It was sheet washing day. I like to do this every week and a half, 2 weeks, I would say. And it was time to get that done. I wanted to get it done first thing so that way I could get them washed and cleaned and be ready to put on the bed before we went to bed, because that's the worst when you forget about it and they're in the washer and you don't have another set of sheets. So getting that done, and then it's now later. I got home from work and I needed to clean up my daughter's tray again so she could have lunch. And typically I usually like to do a good cleanup when she's taking a nap on Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. But this day I was having one of those days. I just needed a full break from everything, so I was able to sit and eat my lunch in peace and just kind of relax and be able to handle the rest of the day. And then I tackled the rest while she was eating lunch, and I just wanted to do a quick pickup of the house. I like to do this midday, and then I usually do a nightly one too.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it.
So every day I like to do one initial tidy up of the whole house and just get it nice and reset and clean. And then sometimes I will do a little bit more cleaning, like a full tidy again, depending on what we're doing, what we have going on. And on this day, you will see I was able to tidy up again, but it just kind of depends. But I like to always get an initial clean, because then our house isn't as messy and we're staying on top of it more, and that usually just works for us. And that way I'm not feeling like I'm constantly cleaning, because I feel like I honestly could just clean all day and my house probably still wouldn't be clean, just because I feel like as I'm cleaning stuff, Waverly's taking stuff out and making it a mess. So it's just kind of like a constant thing. So I like to just get an initial clean and then work on it after that when I want to and can.
Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars.
Okay, so I'm just unloading the dishwasher, and then I'm actually gonna reload it and start it up and get that going again. We had a lot of dishes just from over the weekend and all that, so I just wanted to get that going and started so that way I wasn't getting super behind on dishes. So that's what I'm going ahead and doing now. And this is around like 2 o'clock-ish that I am doing this.
From the get-go, let me be frank. Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all.
Now I'm going ahead and just hand washing all the dishes that needed hand washed, and then once I got done with this, I went ahead and then cleaned my daughter's tray and her bib and all of that because she was done eating lunch, and I just wanted to do it right then so that way at dinner time I didn't have to worry about it.
My, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like, oh my God. Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you.
Now I'm going through and just folding up the clothes that were in the dryer and then going to switch those sheets over, and then I'm actually going to start another load because we had just been behind on laundry, and since I was washing the sheets I didn't get like my one load a day, so I wanted to make sure I tackled that. And going along with doing like the sheets, I like to tackle usually one bigger deep cleaning thing a week. I mean, not a week, a day. So like today was the sheets, and then some days I like to do vacuuming. I like to vacuum a couple of times a week, and then usually that second time I'll mop. And then I like to tackle the bathroom one day, vacuum the couches. Just kind of doing one thing a day, dusting, helps me stay more on track and not overwhelmed. And does that happen every single week? No. Sometimes it's just easier to tackle all the deep cleaning stuff while my daughter naps, but sometimes it's easier just to tackle it throughout the week and just take like 30 minutes to an hour and just get those projects done. So today I just wanted to tackle the sheets, and that was like my bigger project of the day. Okay, so it's now like 6 o'clock or so, and I'm going ahead and putting those sheets on my bed, and then I'm going and moving the clothes from the washer and putting them into the dryer, starting that up so that way that can just be all done and ready to go. And I'm not trying to hurry and remember before Waverly goes to bed, because if you didn't know, our laundry is in Waverly's room, so I have to try to make sure all the laundry is changed before.
I will close my door 'cause I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. You don't know me, I just need my time.
Okay, it's probably like 7:30 or so, and my husband Trajan was making us dinner, so I went ahead and just started putting the sheets on the bed so that way when we went into bed we didn't have to deal with doing this, because that always is so frustrating when you have to make the bed right before you go to bed instead of just being able to climb on in. So I just put the sheets on and the comforter and our pillows, but I didn't actually fully make our bed with like our decorative pillows because we were going to be going to bed in a few hours and I just didn't see it worth it. So I just went ahead and just did like a quick tidy up of our room, got the bed made, and then while he was making dinner I went ahead and also started cleaning up the living room. I like to try and get this room fairly tidied so that way I'm not just like looking at the mess when me and my husband are sitting on the couch. So I wanted to get this room kind of tidied, and then I also got my daughter's room tidied up a little bit too.
Cause my heart just broke and I need my time. Wanna speak so loud even though I hide. Like I'm hypnotized, can't get out of here. so lonely. I see you going through some things, and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home.
It's about 10 o'clock now, Waverly's asleep, and I just wanted to hurry and tackle the dishes so that way I could just go to bed. And since the rest of my house was pretty tidied, I felt motivated to just get all the hand washing dishes done. The dishwasher was clean, but I just was not in the mood to unload that. I had a long day. I just wanted to clean Waverly's trace, that way I could start off my day the next day on a good note and be motivated and not have to instantly start cleaning, because sometimes I get annoyed with that. And then I also just wanted to clean our pans that we had used for dinner, so that way that was all done. And then that's honestly all I did for the day. This is kind of all I do for cleaning. Yes, I do some things more and some things I don't. Today you saw like a pretty basic cleaning day where I'm just mainly tidying and then just doing like a little task. Sometimes it is more, it just kind of depends, but we all have different cleanings and we all have our own schedule that it works for us. And for me and our family, that's what works for us. And so I hope you guys can find a schedule that works for you guys. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching today's video. I really do appreciate you being here. If you like today's video, please give it a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Those things always help boost my channel so much. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, you guys.